The India name of the opposition has reached the top court now. There is a plea in the apex court of this country against the name India, of course, which is an abbreviation, it's an acronym, and it represents the opposition alliance. The matter of renaming the alliance of opposition parties from UPA to India has reached the Supreme Court. The Delhi High Court has already issued notice to the Centre and Election Commission on one such petition. Now, on July 24th, challenging the opposition parties to name their organisation India, the petition is likely to be taken up. Very interesting. So there are legal issues now with regard to India, but will it stand, or does the opposition alliance have every right to name their alliance with the name that, of course, coincides with that of the name of the country? And that is what the opposition was earlier attacked by the NDA as well. Let's go across to our legal correspondent, Srishti Ojha, joining me this morning on the First Up. Srishti, so of course there was a lot of political showdown on it, but what does it mean when a plea of this nature reaches the Supreme Court? Will it stand? Will it be heard? What happens here on?
Well, Pooja, whether or not the petition will stand is something that we know is the case is heard by the Supreme Court today. But as you mentioned, a similar petition was already heard by the Delhi High Court, and the Delhi High Court had clearly stated that the matter needs to be heard. And thereafter, notices were issued to not just Union of India and Election Commission, but also all 26 opposition parties. Now, a similar plea has been filed before the Supreme Court that has again sought direction to the alliance of these 26 political parties to restrain them from using the word INDI as the name of their alliance. Not just that, they've also sought direction to the Press Council of India to just pass a regulation. So all the media agencies also refrain from using INDI as the name of that particular alliance. According to the petitioners, party workers are now using slogans like NDA versus INDIA to create a false narrative in the minds of people that BJP will be fighting against the nation India in the upcoming elections. And not just that, according to the petitioner, acts of these opposition parties is against ethical standards because you're using name of the country using it for your own personal political agenda, just to showcase the so-called nationalistic approach is what the petitioner has called it. And also he pointed out that the entire naming of the political party on the name of the country will also be violative of the Emblems Act because the Act prohibits the registration of the name
I'm pretty sure that, and I hope that opposition parties have thought through this. It wouldn't be as easy as they were expecting. There are legal issues over this. Will they be able to defend the name India that they have got into their alliance, or will they have to change it before 2024? Thank you very much, Srishti Ojha.